Hi there, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing. Maintenance Minute starts now. When it comes to maintaining your trailer, one crucial aspect that can significantly impact its lifespan and performance is proper brake maintenance. In this Maintenance Minute, we'll share some tips on how to extend the life of your trailer brakes through regular maintenance. To start this process, you will want to inspect the drums, brake shoes, and springs. Physically inspect for cracks, corrosion, and wear. Significantly worn brake drums can lead to a decrease in stopping power or brake failure. Periodic inspections and regular maintenance are necessary to prevent brake failure while traveling. Maintaining the air brake system, including the trailer air lines, is crucial to ensure safe and reliable operation of the trailer's braking system. Check for any signs of wear, damage, or air leaks. Look for cracks, kinks, or loose fittings that could affect air pressure or lead to air loss. By following these simple maintenance steps, you can significantly extend the life of your trailer brakes and ensure reliable performance on the road. And if you need assistance, just reach out. We're always here to help.